The materials you'll need to service your train are oil and lubricant. I find that Label works the best with Lionel products. You can get both of them together on Amazon for $20 or one of them individually for $10. Some other materials you'll need are a flathead screwdriver and a notebook or any kind of hard surface. It's important to use a hard surface because otherwise hair and stuff can get into the gears of the train. Take your train and flip it over. You'll see two lock plates. Unscrew them by turning counterclockwise. Now that you've unscrewed them, take your shell off your engine. Be careful not to damage the wires. You're going to want to add a few drops of oil right here where I'm pointing. Being careful not to add any extra, drop your oil there. I added too much here, but that's okay. Just use a paper towel to wipe off the extra. This is a good time to replace your light bulb too. Push down and turn counterclockwise to remove. Push down and turn clockwise to install. Here's a lamp replacement chart. You may now carefully replace the shell on your engine. Screw the lock plates back on. Now you're going to add lubricant on the gears right here. Don't add any on the wheels because it can cause damage. Add only a little bit and work it in by turning the wheels with your hands. Now you're going to add oil right where the axle meets the wheel. Only add a drop and then work it in by turning the wheels. Here's a guide on where to add oil and lubricant on your engine. You may now put your engine on the track. Now you will service the car, remove it from the track, and you're going to add oil basically where you added it to the engine, where the axle meets the wheel. Add only a drop and work it in with your hands. Put your train and your cars on a test track now. Run it a few times, make sure it's working properly. It should run almost as good as new. Proper train maintenance can make your train last a lifetime.